Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be unboxing and playing around with the Slay Glam box for the month of February 2023. I'm so excited to play around with these products. I cannot wait. So really quick, if you're not familiar with Slay Glam, it's $24 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You get a palette in every box, and if you use code Michelle Martin, that's going to save you 10% off your first subscription order. It's just a code for you to save a little bit of money. I don't make anything off of it. And if you like these types of videos, please make sure that you're giving me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. If you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe before you go. And don't forget to ring the notification bell because, girl, honestly, I'm so random over here. I upload twice a week. It's just on different days of the week. But yeah, girl, I'm going to go ahead and run over all the products and then we'll get into the look. So, of course, if you know me, you know we're starting with the star of the show, which is the Scandal palette by Lorella. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. This shade right here is so pretty. But I think I'm going to use red and black today because we got the red eyeliner. And you know I've been waiting to get this. I love these eyeliners. This is the eyeliner from Oakland. And these are the easiest eyeliners I have ever used in my life. I love these eyeliners and I'm so happy we've been getting them in the subscription boxes. I'm getting out of my comfort zone using more liquid eyeliners. I'm not very good at using them, but I swear these are so easy to use. I love them. And I think it's going to go so well with this palette. This is a wine red. It's going to match the red and the black look hopefully today. Really good. I don't know. We'll see. Slay Glam does an amazing job at coordinating all the boxes, and that's my favorite thing about Slay Glam is how well coordinated the boxes are. So then we got a lip gloss from Oakland too, and I got like a pinky shade. Ooh, that is really pretty. Okay. Next up from Manna Kadar is the Bloom Floral Compact, and this little compact is so pretty. I love it. I love the 3 different shades, so you could just use this light shade as a highlighter and these 2 shades as blush. I'll probably just do a little swirl action in there. And then last but not least is another product from Manna Kadar, and this is the Lash Curler and Mascara set. So cute that we got a set. Ooh, this stuff looks dry. That's what the wand looks like, but it's looking a little dry. Okay, so just really quick, I'm going to prime my lids, and I'm going to use the e.l.f. lid primer. I like this because it gives you a little bit of coverage. It's not sticky, but it does make your shadows last all day. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the eyes, and I'm going to use this color Snake right here, and I'm going to put that in my transition area. The shade names in here are so funny. Drama Queen, Snake, Confession, Problematic. Super cute. The packaging is adorable too. I'm just going to blend this all the way up to the brow, in the crease, all the way up to the brow. Ooh, and because I want to use the red and black today, I think I'm going to go into the crease, I think. No, actually, I think what I'm going to do is pat on the black first. Let's see how pigmented this black is. So I'm just going to take a small fluffy brush and just start tapping this black on my outer crease. I'm dipping and then I'm tapping my brush off so I'm not getting too much at one time. It's much better to build a black up than to go in too heavy. And I'm just going to bring it right to the crease. I'm not going to bring it past the crease. I'm just going to kind of tap the brush in the crease. And this black doesn't look like it's going to be too overwhelming. It looks like it's going to blend out really nicely, actually. I hope this comes out the way that I have it like envisioned in my head, you know? Like I hope I don't get this far and then be like, oh God, I hate it. I don't think I've ever done a black and red look before. So we'll see how this goes. All right, so now that I have the black on the outer crease, I think what I want to do, and I'm sorry, that was Blackmail that I used right there. Now I think I'm going to take a different brush, and I'm going to use Haters up here to blend the black out. So I'm going to put this brush right on top of the black and start blending the black out around into the crease. I absolutely love it when a palette has black And then a nice dark color to blend it out. This is almost like a maroon color. It's so pretty. Again, I'm just gonna start on top of the black and blend around into the crease. Just buffing the black out and bringing this color around. I really do like this color though. It's very pretty. And it's blending in with that black beautifully. Going back in with the first brush, not adding anything to it, and just blending over top. Just to buff everything out. Okay, and then I'm going to, oh, do I want to use that shimmer red? Or do I want to use the matte red? Which one do I want to use? I don't know. Oh, okay. I think we're going to go in with the matte red. I had to see what it was going to look like. Okay, so I'm just going to go in with that matte red and just start tapping it on the lid. Oh, that looks so good. I love that. Again, just tap it on the lid. Oh, that's such a pretty red. I feel like it's gonna blend right into these other colors really nicely. These mattes are gorgeous. So now I'm just gonna go back in with the black shade and blend the two. I'm gonna go back in with the brush that had the hater shade on and just blend the red out. Okay, not looking too bad, not looking too bad. All right, I'm gonna take some black eyeliner and put that in my waterline, of course. Ooh, it's looking smoky, I like it. It's definitely different. So I think I'm gonna take Drama Queen and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner and my brow bone. Ooh, so pretty. The shimmers in here are definitely popping. Going back with my first brush and blending out. So what I'm gonna do now is take a small pencil brush and I'm gonna use a little bit of the Blackmail on the outer corner. Just keeping that shade on the outer corner. Now I'm gonna go into the red shade, which is Bad Behavior. I'm sorry, you guys. I feel like I've been terrible about saying the names. And I'm gonna blend it out. Ooh, I like that red shade. It's so pretty. Just gonna take my beauty sponge and clean up a little bit. Just wipe it away. Okay, so now for the part I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for this eyeliner. Ooh, and she is a bright red too. Okay, so let's line our lids. Okay, so now that I used it over top the black, it has a little bit of black, so I'm just gonna wipe off the tip a little bit. I'm gonna reprime it because when you put the top on, it reprimes the tip. But how cute, super subtle, but I really like that. Now, okay, my mother-in-law, she gets the Slay Glam box too, and she's like, I am not using that as an eyeliner. Which I understand, a red eyeliner is not going to be for everybody, but she used it as a lip liner and it worked so well as a lip liner. It stayed all day. So if you're not into this as an eyeliner, maybe try it as a lip liner. And I'm just going to line this other one. I mean, I really like the red eyeliner. I think it looks gorgeous. I like it a lot. And again, it's super subtle. You don't notice it a ton, but I'm good with that. I like that it's subtle. Really quick, I'm gonna do my lips because my lips are so dry. I'm like, this pink is probably not gonna match. But yeah, it's not gonna match the look I did. All right, so I'm gonna line my lips with a red Crown Pro lip liner, and now I think I'm gonna use the Maybelline. This is the Color Stay Matte Ink in shade Pioneer. Okay, See, I just feel like that looks so much better with the eye look that I did. Once this dries down, I think I'm going to try to use this as in my lip gloss today and see what that looks like, because I don't like it just on its own. So really quick, let's go ahead and do some blush. And I'm just going to kind of swirl around. Ooh, really pretty. It's very glowy. But beautiful color. I really like that. So with this, you wouldn't need to use a highlighter if you kind of just do a little swirling motion there. Okay, let's try to curl some lashes with this eyelash curler. I'm so used to using my heated eyelash curler. It's so weird using this one. I'm so used to the heated one. I'm like, I don't feel like I'm getting it in there right. I guess I am. Oh my gosh, I remember that, like, I used to hate using eyelash curlers. I would pinch the crap out of myself. My sister-in-law was like, what the heck are you doing? It's like, I don't know. That's actually a pretty nice curler. It curled my lashes pretty good. Okay, let's try out this mascara because this stuff looks dry as crap. So I'm going to try to add some eye drops in it and see if I can get it to loosen up here. Oh my god, that was like so much better. At least it's not so dry now. Yeah, that's like so much better. So I just put like 4 or 5 eye drops in there. I mean, it's an okay mascara. It's nothing fantastic about it. The brush on this is nice, but I'm just like, I don't know if I like this red lipstick with it. Let's try to add some of this on top. The mascara isn't the greatest. I will say that. Oh. Maybe I do like that a little better now. Okay, I think I like it better with the gloss on it. Okay, let's do a little bit of setting spray. Oh, okay, girl. So this is the completed look. I love how it turned out. I really enjoyed the eyeshadow palette. I think the eyeshadow palette is beautiful. The colors blended into one another really nicely. No patchiness or anything. So definitely love the eyeshadow palette. I really like this blush. I think the blush is beautiful. I love that it's like a blush highlighter duo. And it's a really pretty color. I like it a lot. I really enjoy the gloss. I think it's very pretty. It feels really nice, smooth, buttery on the lips, not sticky. So I enjoy this. This is a no. This really doesn't do a whole lot for your lashes, and mine was dry. So I had to add some drops, which once I added the drops, really, I mean, it's usable, but it's just not doing a whole lot for my lashes. Now the curler is nice. I haven't used a regular eyelash curler in so long, and this one actually did curl my lashes pretty good. So I will keep this and keep using it. And the eyeliner, I really do like the eyeliner, even though I know you're probably not going to be able to tell on camera. You can see it in person. It looks really good. I like it. I really like their eyeliners. They're so easy to use. But overall, I really enjoyed this box. The only bummer was the mascara. But other than that, I like everything that we got in this month's box. As always, let me know what you think down in the comments. I love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.